Some of those types of rain totals in through the Mississippi Valley as we get into the middle of next week. It's all tied together, connecting the dots. That system's going to translate into thunderstorms. And in Dallas, we're talking severe weather. So as early as Monday through Tuesday, those showers and thunderstorms and the winds as well. So let's look at that setup. Here's that storm system tracking to the east, that moisture being pulled off the Gulf of Mexico. And if you go a few thousand feet up, you have something called a low-level jet, the screeching layer of wind. And notice it's from a different direction. And if you think about what that might do in the vertical, you start to see some rotation. And so we do have that tornado threat along with the showers and thunderstorms that'll be lining up and beginning to fire up ahead of that front. So a big area as early as Monday with the severe threat from Lawton, Dallas, Austin to San Antonio over to Amarillo. It's damaging winds and hail, but yes, that tornado threat already looking ahead to Monday, a 3 out of 10 on the Torcon for southwestern Texas, a 4 out of 10 for west and northwest Texas. So start to think about your plans on Monday. Make sure you have a way to get warnings. It doesn't stop on Monday. We're talking about New Orleans by Tuesday. Showers and thunderstorms beginning to move in as our whole system pushes east from Springfield, Little Rock, Lake Charles. Here too, a tornado threat we're thinking about on Tuesday. By the time Wednesday rolls around, it's heavy rain and the severe threat from Nashville pushing into Tuscaloosa, Mobile, over back into New Orleans as well. So busy couple days early next. We all need a little happy news, and that is definitely on the list of happy news. All right, let's give you the top 3 stories that we're covering for you. Big weather setups here across the country. And we start in the Pacific Northwest, where it's more rain and flooding, mountain snow, the wind, the waves, that all continues. So we're going to time that out as it moves on. The heat building in the Midwest, incredible story here. 15 to 25 degrees above average from Bismarck to Minneapolis. A lot of us getting into the 60s as we get into next week. And the winds gusty and brisk here in the Northeast, high as 24 miles per hour, 28 mile per hour wind gusts in Philadelphia right now, sustained at about 20. And that's also bringing some cloudiness, but we are talking about rain moving back into a lot of places. So dry right now in the Northeast, but rain's going to be a big story too. Yeah, and again, the wind should be dying down later on tonight for the area, but also a lot of rain and snow we're watching and tracking to occur across much of the central U.S. Our storm specialist, Dr. Greg Postel, talks about that next.